This car just have never-ending amount of work. So if you look here, you see this the front seat pocket here, which is kind of nice, but this part here, actually I temporarily kind of sewed it on, but it's not supposed to be like this. There's hardly any room to work in the car to do this properly, and it's same thing on this side. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm gonna actually take out the front seats and try to get this, repaired properly so it looks right. Okay, I'm gonna push the seat back all the way. Pop this cover off. Wow, it sounds like we're breaking something. Nothing broke. The front covers have 4 tabs shown in yellow circles that fits into silver metal seat frame shown in blue circles. So I forced the covers off, but after I took it off, I can see that prying the inner tabs out first will probably help to remove this cover more easily, especially without breaking off the tabs. Okay, so this is 16 millimeter. I don't have 16, but 5/8 is exactly 16. So I was able to loosen this. And same thing on this side, I just used the screwdriver to okay, so this was on there pretty tight. It took quite a force, but once you loosen it 1 or 2 turns, you can just okay, I'm gonna move the seat forward all the way so I can do the same on the back side. Actually, I'm also gonna tilt the seat up all the way. Alright, so this side is broken off, so anyway, that out the way. This is on there pretty tight. Yeah. I think I used all my calories from my lunch. This one. Oh my God. I have to do this with holding the camera. So, okay, so the seat is loose, but don't yank it out yet. Let me put the seat back. This thing is kind of flapping, so I gotta figure out how to get that snap back in. Also, if you want to play really safe, just before you disconnect all the wiring, you want to disconnect the negative terminal on your battery, and it's a 10 millimeter. Right after you make all the connections, then you want to connect the battery back. Now, let me see if I can tilt the seat back. And all right, guys, so I had to put the camera down to get this loosened, so let me recap. Okay, so this one, you just slide this back, okay, and then it will pull out.
This one was a little bit more tricky. You need to push down on this part while pulling this out. It doesn't come out easily, so I was pushing this down, and then I stuck a screwdriver like right here in the between the gap, and I rotated the screwdriver just to get it started, and then it popped out. This one, you just push down on this thing here, just push down on this and it comes out. So 3 wires are disconnected, and of course you got this zip tie here. So let me see, there must be something. Okay, so we'll have to squeeze this down. If I can't, then I'll have to cut it and then put another zip tie. I didn't get a good shot yesterday, but you see the outer end? So just go in there, squeeze that, and then it's not gonna come down straight. So the best way is squeeze it and either tilt it that way or tilt it that way and try to get one side started, and then it just popped out. So the seat rails are pretty sharp metals, and I can see how you can easily cut your fingers, so wear good gloves. So I'm gonna try to take it out through the front. Let me see, it's all loosened. Oh, I see. There's a metal rod here. So that was what was kind of holding it. Alright, I'm gonna get the headrest out of the way. And I think that'll give you a little bit better clearance here. Here's next day, and here she is. What's interesting is seeing quite a bit of rust actually building up. Here as well, and all along the side.
To focus on the front seat removal on this video, I'll release the seat pocket repair in the separate video soon.
Okay, so the front bottom of this plastic cover popped out, and no matter what I do, it would not go back in. So I looked at it more closely, and if you look in there, you see this piece right here. That plastic piece needs to be straightened out, and it needs to go into that hole, and that's what's preventing this from going in. So, and after that, this just snaps in there, and bottom you have another one. Okay, so that's snapped in. So you got one pin here, that's gotta go into that hole. After that, the 4 holes should line up. Okay, so that's in. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tilt it back like this and then plug the I'll go with the smallest one. That's in. Then the middle one. That's in. And the last one. That's in. Okay. They're all back in. Looks great. Hey guys. So actually I wasn't gonna do the recording for the driver's side, but I just want to show you. The other one had 3 connectors. This one actually has 3 connectors, but 2 connector is in one. Okay, so for you, just gonna remove 2. So yesterday, I was too tired. I forgot to put the zip tie clip back on, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, I have to undo all the bolts again. But underneath the seat, there was actually enough room to get my hand in there and get the clip pushed back in. So, oh my God, what a lifesaver.
So the driver's seat is a little bit harder to remove because of the steering wheel. So tilt the steering wheel all the way up and have it pushed in all the way to give you extra room. So overall it took about 5 hours, but I probably spent 1 hour taking videos. Anyway, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.